Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by protecting the file. Make a backup copy and locate it on disk or network. Once done, close any other Excel windows and force logoffs for collaborators so you can open the workbook exclusively. Next, turn off the Explorer preview pane and any syncing client that might lock the file. Then open Excel via File Open, select the workbook and choose Open with exclusive access. This prevents another process from grabbing the handle while you fix sharing settings. You now remove sources that cause conflicts. First, disable any shared workbook features. Go to Review and turn off Legacy Share Workbook or stop co-authoring. Next, use Data Edit links to find and break or update external links. Broken links often trigger sharing violations. Also inspect hidden sheets, protected ranges, defined names, add-ins, and active macros. Any of these can hold file handles. If corruption is suspected, use File Open and repair to recover a clean copy before saving. You finish by saving a fresh copy, save as, and checking NTFS or network share permissions to ensure you have full control. Once saved, update Office and restart Excel or the PC to clear lingering handles, then re-enable any sync clients one at a time. Make sure collaborators reopen the new file properly. If the error persists, use a tool like Process Explorer to identify which process holds the file handle, then stop or restart that service. As a last resort, restart the file server to clear locks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.